In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell memberships on Wix. If you're ready to dive into the world of online memberships using Wix, you've come to the right place. Let's get started by ensuring you have everything you need to set yourself up for success. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, the next step is to click on Edit Site for the website where you want to offer subscriptions. It's important to make sure that you've already installed both Wix stores and Wix paid plans, as these are crucial for managing your subscriptions effectively. Now let's navigate to the Pages and Menu section to set up your membership plans. Here you'll find the option for Pricing Plans Pages. This is where you can list the available plans that potential subscribers can choose from. Click on Plans and Pricing and then Manage Plans to start customizing your subscriptions. Click on Get Started to begin setting up a new subscription plan. Select Create Plan and enter a name for your plan, such as Premium Membership. It's crucial at this point to write a compelling description that includes the benefits of the subscription, what users will receive, and any important terms and conditions. This description is what will entice and assure potential subscribers about the value they're getting. After the description, set your plan's price and decide on a billing frequency, whether it be monthly, quarterly, or annually. When you're ready, configure the access settings, assign the subscription to a specific page or section, ensuring that subscribers automatically receive access once they've made a payment. Once you're satisfied with your plan details, don't forget to click Save. Now, let's move on to setting up the payment methods. Head over to your dashboard, navigate to Settings, and then go to Accept Payments. You'll enable payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or the option for credit and debit cards. It's a good idea to test the subscription flow at this stage to ensure everything works smoothly for your future subscribers. With payment methods set up, open the page where you'd like to offer your subscription and use the Wix editor to add a subscribe button. Make sure to link this button to the paid plan so users can subscribe directly. Customize the button's text, color, and layout to fit seamlessly with your site's design. Once that's done, click Done and then publish your site. This will make your new subscription offering live to the world. Before wrapping up, test the subscription process as if you were a user. Check if the payment goes through and if the promised content is accessible. Make any necessary tweaks for a smooth and seamless user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up memberships on Wix. Celebrate your achievement and enjoy watching your community of subscribers grow. Thanks for following along and happy selling.